van, the battle van. So we went to DHS headquarters. They have it all blocked off. No protest right now. Move around honking, let them know we're here. There's no action yet. So now we're going to head over to Uptown where they're staying and maybe they're harassed. We're looking for you.
Mercy, it's me.
Where are we going?
I've been gone for far too long. A house out of pride, but it crumbled in the night. Chased the world, lost my light. Now I'm empty inside. I was blind, now I'm broken, but I'm ready for the fight. You never let go, even when I gave in. So I'm running to redemption. Let the healing begin.
Advocacy group Animal Justice Canada has lodged a formal complaint with the Canadian Food Inspection Agency.
It's me. I'm not who I used to be. If you'll still have me, I'm yours completely.
Interstellar object 3I Atlas is far more than a comet.
I'm the